Welcome back, you guys. Thanks for watching today's video. Today I am showing you guys how I did this makeup look and where exactly my outfit is from. If you enjoyed, make sure you give it a thumbs up. This has been like my go-to look recently, pretty casual, and I'm also using some like older products, things I haven't used in a while. If I can find it. Like, I'm embarrassed how messy and unorganized this stuff is. Like, I recently got this one size primer. This is Secure the Blur. I'm gonna go a little over the top with that. Also, I don't know if you can see, but no, you really can't see, but I have this like stick-on tile. Don't mind that. I got it off of Etsy and I have a whole lot more, but I don't know if I fully want to commit to it because if I do commit to it, I need to take off this towel rack and then I'd have to sand it and patch it. So it's on the back burner for now. I have lately been doing like blush and contour before foundation or concealer. I'm using the Rare Beauty Blush in Joy. I like this one, and again, it just blends out so easy, and it definitely is rather pigmented, so again, that's why I like to use it before and not after, so I don't make a huge mess or like a big mistake. That does look a little crazy, but that's fine. Also, my sister recently started up her own business. She's a certified esthetician, and she tinted my lashes and curled them. I literally have nothing on them right now, and it looks like I have mascara. Like, how amazing is that? I typically use my Makeup by Mario stick, but I'm gonna try this one. I mean, I've used it before. This is from Lower East Side. That's the brand. This is Skyscraper. It's just like a really nice gray undertone contour. Okay, I'm not picking up at all. Hold on. This is definitely the wrong brush for it, but that's fine. I am getting back into YouTube. I'm gonna put it out there. I am gonna stay positive when I do it, and I really just like miss the creativity that I would get from it. I suppose kind of got burnt out a little bit like a year ago, and I just never got back into the groove. I would post here and there, like honestly once or twice a month, which was just like so disappointing for me. Again, like I said, I'm gonna put it out there. I'm gonna be more consistent with my videos. I still know like YouTube has kind of like fallen on the popularity spectrum, I think, but it's still something I really enjoy doing. I just like can't get into TikTok. Like it is just not my thing. I don't know why. Maybe not like the talking part of it. I really like the like aesthetic videos or like literally no talking, like just follow along my day. Like I like those type of videos and I could see myself creating those. I'm just not a talker, and then like if I were to like rewatch my stuff, which obviously I do, like there's some things I'm just like cringing about and I just put it on private because I'm like, ew, like I'm just making myself cringe. So again, TikTok is not for me, even though I'm literally like talking to the camera here, because I feel like I get like more conversation with YouTube rather than like just quick short outbursts of stuff, like random stuff on TikTok. I don't know. Kind of debating whether I want to use like a foundation or not. Also, if you're hearing like this little like ticking noise, that's my camera automatically adjusting and focusing on me. I'm really trying not to move around too much because I know that sound is annoying. I might actually just use this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation. I'm just gonna plop it on here. I usually put it on the back of my hand, then I get so annoyed that there's foundation left over once I'm done. So this just seems like the smartest thing to do. I feel like this is a good color match too. Like it's just kind of a neutral undertone. I get caught up in thinking I have like more of a red or like, whoa, what? Like an olivey undertone perhaps, but I am truly just neutral. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. Okay, anyway, that looks good. This is so much more makeup than I was anticipating, but I usually don't use this brush, but I'm just gonna go in. This is the Liss foundation brush. I usually just use like my e.l.f. or like Morphe giant brush. This foundation is such a throwback, but for light coverage, like it is so good. I was gonna say it's so glowy, and it's like, well, yeah, that's literally in the name, Pro Glow. So I'm not recently like in the routine of doing both foundation and concealer. It's usually one or the other, but I'm just gonna add this on to lighten it up just the tiniest bit here. I also recently picked this one up again. This is just Shape Tape. Like I haven't used this. I haven't used a lot of this stuff since like high school. It is good. It is full coverage. I have like the worst under eyes ever, especially when I am like, I don't have any color color. I think I will like forever do the 2016 Glam. Just the super bright under eye, like full coverage. I am not like a light coverage makeup person. Like I can't do the no makeup look. Like it's all or nothing for me. Like I'm just not built that way. Like that just looks so good, like so lifting. I feel like maybe I'm not like a light coverage girl because I have some stuff I want to cover up probably, so I don't have amazing skin. I have pretty clear skin, but other than that it's like very uneven in texture and color, so this looks pretty nice though. I do have to say that. Like I said, I'm like reverting back to my old Hannah ways. Well, I have never like moved on from this stuff. It is my go-to. Like I haven't tried anything else. Well, I have tried different stuff, like not very high-end anything. I would love to try like Laura Mercier or something like that people just rave about for translucent powders, but I truly have not had any issues with this. It does, obviously, like it's a powder. It makes my face much lighter. Like I don't think I get flashback, but I'm definitely like 1 or 2 shades lighter after a good old set. I have realized that I need to like spray set my face so that color kind of sinks in a bit more and it's not like so like pale, and I will always be somebody that is like baking the crap out of my face. Like I hate looking shiny or oily or anything. That's why I feel like I cannot do the no makeup looks, because I'll get oily in like 5 seconds and I don't like that. And I see people like that out and about that look kind of like dewy and I'm like, oh, that looks really good, but then like when I try it I'm like, that looks disgusting. Using this Wet n Wild palette, the perfect contour shade because it's still pretty cool tone and extremely pigmented. Using like one of my favorite blush palettes. This is Blink. It's just like so, it's all you need. You just need a light pink, a mauve, and then like a deep rose. And then of course you have some highlighting colors in here, but so pretty. I go for the light pink more often than not. I feel like now though, you know what? I'm gonna use a little bit of this darker rose. And you see, I'm literally just doing random shit, like using the same brush for contour and blush because I'm like, I feel like it helps blend everything together. Like, I don't know if I'm just making this stuff up at this point. I definitely am. Like, I'm not a professional, but I just like to take a little bit of highlighter, put it on my Cupid's bow. I have been like staying away from highlighter for a while now, and I just recently started doing it again. I'm like, on the nose and like the Cupid's bow, it is the cutest thing ever, but you cannot overdo it on like the top of your nose. It can be overdone quite fast, just like I did right there, but you get the point. And then again, like I said, this is like my go-to look. Essentially like any night out look, I'm doing this, and like I might just like oomph up the eyes a little bit, but I'm just taking a bronzer and putting it in my crease with like just a thick blending brush, just so I get some dimension in my eyes and I'm like, it doesn't look like I completely forgot about them. And I also will not be caught dead with mascara on my bottom lashes. Like I just can't do that. I think it looks terrible on me. Like it just feels like it drags down my whole face. Oh, like this is such a throwback too. It just smells like crack, like so good. Okay. I take that back, but my secret weapon lately, not even lately, always is clear eyebrow gel, you guys. Literally put it on them brows. I hate a dark brow. I apparently hate a lot of things, but when it comes to makeup. Oh my god, yeah, I really overdid it. Okay. And then I'm not even gonna wear mascara. I'm just going to simply clean, well actually I might wear mascara. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit because there's like some dusty particles on my lashes. All you have to do is put some gel on there, let it dry, and then you curl it, and that curl will last all day long. Like that is my #1 tip, secret. We are almost done here. Like this is a very quick routine. I have it down to like 20 minutes, not even. My go-to lip pencil recently has just been this NYX one in nude suede shoes. It's cute, it's flattering, it's not too dark. It's like very similar to my natural lip, maybe just 1 shade lighter. You know what? This is not the one I have been reaching for recently. Okay, it's actually this one. It's this one. So it's NYX, but it's Total Baller. It is darker. Okay. I thought I was going crazy. This is a pretty one, actually. This is giving like 2015 makeup right here with this light lip. I love it. And all I'm gonna do is line. Yes, it looks crazy. Go ahead and line and then rub it in. That's actually a very nice combo with the lighter one already on top. Cute, right? Like you could definitely use a brush to actually blend it out and like get more precise and actually sharpen it, because I'm like, why am I struggling so hard right now? And then like I said, I will add a little bit of mascara, and I have have recently been loving like a different color mascara. Like screw black mascara. It's either brown or like burgundy. Like that's the only mascara you should be using. It just makes your eyes pop so much more. Like you can barely tell, but when you're close up, you're like, wait, do you have a different color mascara on? Like something is a little bit different, and your eyes, my eyes just feel like so much more vibrant. Okay, we are almost done here. I really needed a lip gloss, so I randomly just found this, plopped it on. I think it's pretty cute. It's definitely giving nude. I need to set my face. This is the makeup so far. I feel like it looks pretty good. I have you guys on like a fish lens, so if my face looks distorted, that might be the issue. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte. You need the Ultra Matte. You have to shake it before. My little technique here, take a dry sponge with nothing on it and just lightly pat that setting spray in so you don't get any like clumps or separation. This is a must. If you haven't noticed, I'm not a hair girly. I hate doing my hair, anything with my hair, but for pictures, I feel like I should straighten it. Not should straighten it, but like do something with it. Make it look a little bit better here. I've also been trying my best at healthy hair so I don't crank my straightener up to like 400 anymore. It's at a good 350. And I'm using a good comb. Like this is lifestyle changes, people. Also, I am so happy that my hair has been kind of like fading color recently because I was just not a huge fan of the dark brown that I got. I'm simply just gonna like run the straightener through my hair a few times, try to get rid of like the waves or frizziness, but I simply don't care too much. I just want it to look like better. I do need a haircut soon though. I have been trying to grow out my hair, which I feel like it's slowly getting there. Like to me, it doesn't feel like it's growing at all because I look at myself every day, but looking at old pictures or summer pictures, I'm like, oh, it was like honestly like up to here. Like that looks a little bit better. That was just like a quick 2 minutes, that's fine. Okay, now it is time to find an outfit. I am like, this is crazy. This lens is ridiculous. I am like 3 feet away max, like 2 feet next to the camera here, and I'm like in the frame fully. This is my finished makeup. Literally love it. My go-to makeup has to be matte, like cannot be shiny, and this is what does it for me. Okay, I need to find an outfit. I think I'm gonna go with this crochet dress from Outcast Clothing, and I'm just gonna pair it with like this gold choker. This is from Zara. I don't think I have showcased this on my Instagram yet, and if I have, whatever, I'm still gonna take some pictures in it. Okay, like I said, this is like giving Greek goddess.